back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be opening slash unboxing, that's the same thing as opening. I'm gonna be opening the TXT Temptation album. It just came out today, the 27th of January, 127 day. I have 3 of the versions. The Daydream version, which is the dark green with the pink lettering, that I got signed. It is on its way, so you'll see probably like me in a different outfit in a different time setting opening that separately, but I really wanted to open these right now. So I have these 2. I can't remember the name of these ones. This one feels so much thicker than the pink one. I also have the Lullaby version, which is like the member exclusive. So my bias is Taeyeon. I do collect him. I don't pull him a lot, but I feel like TXT doesn't have that. Like, it's like not hard to trade in the trading community, so I don't mind trading, but I would like him, but it's okay. Also, this has an exclusive photo card, so excited to see what that is. I absolutely love this, like, marbling. Also, if you want to see like a lay down unboxing, this is not the channel for you. Okay, so this green one is the Farewell. Wait, this is like the Lost Boys sailor concept. Like, so beautiful. Here's Subin and Taeyeon. Okay. Here's the group. Oh, that just all fell out. I don't know why I didn't take that out at first. Wow, they look so beautiful. Yeonjun, Kai. These are this is a beautiful photo book too. This also, like, the feeling of this and like the lengthwise reminds me of BTS's, you know, Walk Alone album, which is like one of my favorite like box-wise albums. I have the lyric card. Super. I really like, what song is it? Devil by the Window. I think that has a good one. Sugar Rush Ride is really good too. Wait, I think this is the postcard. I have Yeonjun. He is my bias wrecker, for anyone who doesn't know. Stickers. I absolutely love TXT stickers. I think they're really well made. The poster. So pretty. So pretty. I think this is the Target photo card, which, oh, but I got Bangyu. This is so weird. And also, can they stop doing these thick cards? Okay, photo card's gonna be last, but here's the CD. Yes. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I'm excited to showcase this on my, like, I have a wall mount CD, but it's not on the wall, it's like on my desk, but I love showcasing. Okay, photo card. I got Subin. I always, like, Subin is, I think, my most pulled member. Subin and Bangyu, I think. But this is so gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna open the pink one that I forgot the name of. Another beautiful, okay, I don't want to see my stuff, so I'm gonna put that. I already saw who I got for Target, but this is like, I think, my favorite concept. What is this one? The Nightmare. It's like very like 70s type vibe. I think this is when they like go down the rabbit hole. Subin. Look at Bangyu. He's so gorgeous. Taeyeon. I think this is such a beautiful picture of him. Oh my god. Wow. Kai. I always have like, oh, okay. And then Yeonjun. I was like, they always have Kai and Yeonjun like last, but We have the stickers, we have the poster. I think the stickers were the same. This is so pretty. Also, the quality of these products, like the poster is not like a thick poster. Here's the Subin. Again, I pull a lot of Subin. It's gonna be like a really pretty pink. Yes, that is so gorgeous. For the Target card, I did get Subin for that. The Lyric card, and oh, these I didn't notice. I don't know where mine went for that, but these things are like little bookmarks. So here's the pink one. I'll have to find the green one later, but photo card. Kai, wait, this is so pretty. He's my least pulled member, so it's always nice to pull him, but so pretty. Lullaby version. Let's see what version I get. I got Bumgu for Thursday's Child. I think that was the first time they did like member exclusive ones. I got Kai! Oh my. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, wow. He's stunning. Wait, this is like just a photo book of him. That's so stunning. Here's this little card for that, and then this is Cutie Kai. Okay. Oh, and I got a Cutie Kai. I think this is the photo card that I thought was like the prettiest out of all the members. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Okay. Wow. Okay, we'll see what I get for Daydream when that comes. So it will be a while for me, but in this video it will be the next clip. Hey everyone, it is a week later. I finally have my signed album. It came in like the worst packaging ever, but it's okay. And also it's kind of exploding at the top. But I got the Daydream version signed, and I am so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna pull off the band-aid. Oh my god. I think I got Cutie Kai. Wait. That's so cool. That is so pretty. Okay. Let's see what my photo card is. Subin. Oh my gosh. Okay, and my postcard. Oh my god. It is Subin. I got a Subin filled album. Wow. What a great pull. Though I don't like how it's kind of bent and broken everywhere because the packaging was absolutely horrible, but oh my goodness. Okay. Those are my pulls. I'm gonna end the video here, obviously, because I did my unboxing, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.